In this listening test, you will hear different situations. After listening to the recording, you have 10 seconds to answer the question. Feel free to pause if you need more time. Don't forget to share your score in the comments below.
You hear a customer talking to a shop assistant.
Can I assist you with anything today?
Yes, I bought these headphones here yesterday. But when I used them at home, the sound quality wasn't as good as I expected. I'd like to exchange them for a different model.
I'm sorry to hear that. Unfortunately, I don't think we have that particular model available in a different version. Perhaps you'd like to consider a different brand or style. We just received some new wireless earbuds that have excellent reviews.
No, I'm really looking for something with better sound quality, but still over-ear headphones.
I understand. In that case, would you prefer if I processed a refund for you instead?
Yes, a refund would be great.
No problem at all. I'll take care of that for you right away.
The correct answer is B. You hear a man talking about his passion for football.
I've always loved football, ever since I was a kid. It's not just a game to me, it's my passion. I remember spending hours kicking the ball around, dreaming of playing for a big team. But choosing to become a professional footballer wasn't easy. It meant giving up a lot. Time with friends, weekends, even some opportunities for education. But I knew this was what I wanted. The thrill of scoring a goal, the rush of the crowd, that's what drives me. I've decided to go all in, to give everything I have to make this dream a reality.
The correct answer is B. You overhear two friends talking about a money-saving website.
Did you take a look at that money-saving website I mentioned?
Yes, I did.
And how did you find it?
Actually, it was really useful. I discovered several tips that I hadn't thought of before.
That's great. Did any of them stand out to you?
Yes, especially the advice on meal planning. I think I'll start using this one right away.
Sounds like it was worth your time then.
Definitely. I'll let you know how it goes.
The correct answer is A. You hear a radio announcer talking about a competition.
Attention listeners, we're excited to announce a brand new competition where you can help us name our upcoming radio show featuring entrepreneurial kids. We're looking for creative, catchy names that reflect the spirit of young innovators and entrepreneurs. The name should be original, easy to remember, and no longer than 3 words. Make sure it captures the energy and ambition of the kids who will be featured on the show. The winning name will be announced next month, and the winner will receive a special prize. So put on your thinking caps and send in your best ideas.
The correct answer is A. You hear a student explaining to her teacher why she is late to class.
I'm really sorry for being late, Ms. Johnson. I was on my way to school when I realized I forgot my math textbook at home. I knew we had a test today, so I rushed back to get it. On my way back, the traffic was worse than usual, and I got stuck at a red light for what felt like forever. I tried my best to get here on time, but it just didn't work out. I didn't want to come to class unprepared for the test.
The correct answer is A. You hear two students talking about a presentation.
How do you think the presentation went then?
I think it went really well. It was a bit stressful at the start, but everything came together perfectly.
Yes, I agree. We didn't even have to rush at the end. It felt smooth throughout.
Exactly. And the audience seemed engaged the entire time. I'm pretty sure we covered all the important points.
Definitely. I think we managed our time well and everything was clear.
I'm glad we don't have to do it all over again.
The correct answer is B. Hear a man talking about his decision to become a vegetarian.
When I first decided to become a vegetarian, I wasn't entirely sure if I could stick with it. But as time went on, I realized how strongly I felt about the issue of animal cruelty. Every meal I prepare is a reminder of the positive impact I'm making, and I've come to really enjoy discovering new vegetarian recipes. I can't see myself going back to eating meat now. Some people might question their decision after a while, but for me, I'm more committed than ever. I'm excited to continue exploring this lifestyle and making choices that align with my values.
The correct answer is C. You hear a man talking about the future performance of his company.
Based on our company's past performance, I predict that we will continue to see steady growth in the coming years. We've managed to increase our revenue by 10% annually over the last 5 years, which is a strong indicator of our market position. With our new product line launching next quarter, I expect this trend to accelerate even further. However, we should be cautious about potential challenges, such as increased competition and economic fluctuations. If we stay focused on innovation and customer satisfaction, I'm confident that our future will be bright.
The correct answer is C. You hear two people discussing online shopping.
I've been doing a lot of online shopping lately, and I have to say, it's really convenient. You can shop anytime, and there's a huge variety to choose from.
That's true, but I still prefer going to stores. I like seeing things in person before I buy them. Plus, I feel like I end up returning a lot of items when I shop online because they don't always match the pictures.
I get that, but I think the reviews help a lot with that. You can see what other people think before you buy. Also, online deals can be pretty amazing, sometimes better than in-store discounts.
Sure, the deals are tempting, but I've had some bad experiences with delivery. Items arriving late or even damaged can be really frustrating. And then there's the hassle of returning things.
Yeah, I guess online shopping isn't perfect. But for me, the convenience outweighs the occasional issue. It's just easier when you're busy.
I see your point. Maybe I'll give it another try, especially for things I don't need right away, but I'm still cautious about it.
The correct answer is B. You hear a woman talking about her co-workers' business trips.
Whenever my colleagues return from a business trip, they always bring back some treats and share stories about their adventures. I have to admit, the snacks they choose are always a highlight for me. There's something special about tasting food from different places. But what really impresses me is the way they talk about their experiences. They visit some remarkable cities, and despite using just their phones, their photos are surprisingly good. I never forget the details they share, especially the names of the places. I'm already looking forward to their next trip.
The correct answer is A.
Excellent work! Share your score in the comments below.